about DeepSeek AI.
DeepSeek AI from a Chinese company.
US tech giants are outraged by DeepSeek's success.
How big a threat does DeepSeek pose to America's tech industry?
As a real player in the AI arms race. It's called DeepSeek.
DeepSeek, which is the leading Chinese AI lab, their model is actually the top performing, or roughly on par with the best American.
What makes it so special? This groundbreaking AI from China has turned the AI industry upside down. Because of this AI, US stock market lost $1 trillion on Monday. And DeepSeek became #1 app on App Store, surpassing ChatGPT within 1 week of its launch. It is challenging everything we thought we knew about artificial intelligence. It's efficient, affordable, and already outperforming US tech giants like OpenAI. Now the biggest question on everyone's mind is, has the US lost its edge in AI innovation? And is China taking the lead in global AI race? Let's dive into the story behind DeepSeek AI and its game-changing impact. For years, the United States has dominated the AI landscape with giants like OpenAI, Google, Meta leading the charge. Massive investments, cutting-edge hardware, and groundbreaking AI models like ChatGPT and Llama have made US the uncontested global leader in artificial intelligence. But now, that dominance is being challenged by DeepSeek AI. DeepSeek AI, the Chinese AI company, is rewriting the rules of the game, and it's doing it for a fraction of the cost. Let's rewind for a moment. Until now, building and running AI models was incredibly expensive. Tech companies spend billions of dollars on high-performance GPUs, expensive hardware, and enormous amount of electricity power for their models. They are even building their own nuclear power plants to meet the energy requirements. For example, models like OpenAI's ChatGPT not only cost a fortune to develop, but are also expensive to use. Their API charges are $15 per million token, making large-scale usage unaffordable for many because small companies and startups cannot afford it. This created a barrier, and AI was largely accessible to only big corporations and wealthy users. But then came DeepSeek AI, shattering this notion and making AI affordable for everyone. DeepSeek AI's open source model R1 is shaking up the entire industry. Unlike traditional AI systems, R1 doesn't require high-end GPUs or massive energy consumption. And there's the best part, it is just as powerful as OpenAI's own model. In fact, R1 has already proven itself by becoming #1 app on App Store, surpassing ChatGPT in just 1 week. Let's talk about numbers. As compared to OpenAI's $15 per million tokens, you can use DeepSeek API for just 27 cents per million tokens. And during their current discount, it is available for 14 cents per million token. That is just 1% of OpenAI's cost. This affordability opens doors for startups, researchers, and even students, anyone who couldn't previously afford to use this cutting-edge AI tools. And guess what, guys? It is open source. There are no subscription fees, unlike ChatGPT, which charges $20 per month for Plus and $200 per month for Pro version. And the best part is, guys, you can run R1's 1.5 billion parameter model on your computer without internet or without high-performance GPUs. But if you want to meet the performance of O1, you need to use 32 billion parameter model of R1. For the first time, you can run high-quality thinking level AI models entirely on your machine without sharing your data with external servers. This puts power directly into the hands of developers, businesses, and everyday users. And guys, there's an interesting fact that DeepSeek AI was developed within a year, that too for an investment of $5.6 million, a small fraction of what US tech companies are typically spending. This breakthrough has global implications. For years, US held an AI advantage, with most innovation and breakthroughs coming from Silicon Valley. But with DeepSeek AI's efficient, low-cost model, China is positioning itself as a serious competitor in the AI race. This could shift the balance of power in AI innovation and adoption. If more companies adopt cost-effective models like R1, the US tech giants could lose their grip on the industry. And this isn't just a theory, guys. On 26 January, US stock market lost over $1 trillion. Nvidia, the world's leading manufacturer of high-performance GPUs, lost $465 billion in market value in a single day. This is because R1's technology does not rely much on Nvidia's chip. This is a direct hit to the AI hardware market and other tech giants riding the AI stock boom. For example, AMD, Meta, and Microsoft stocks went down by almost 6%, and overall tech industry lost nearly $1 trillion in the Monday crash. So let's recap why DeepSeek AI is a game changer. Number 1, it's open source, so anyone can use it without paying subscription fees. Number 2, it delivers the performance on par with the ChatGPT's O1 thinking model. Number 3, its API costs just 27 cents per million tokens, currently discounted to 14 cents, a fraction of OpenAI's price. Number 4, it doesn't require expensive GPUs, making it accessible to users with standard computers. Number 5, it was developed within a year, that too with an investment of just $5.6 million. DeepSeek AI isn't just disrupting the AI industry, guys. It's leveling the playing field with its affordability, accessibility, and efficiency. It's opening the door for a new era of AI for everyone. What do you think, guys? Can DeepSeek AI redefine the future of AI, or will US tech giants find a way to fight back? Let us know your thoughts in comments and subscribe to our channel for more AI news.